Welcome, marketing chefs. I've got something truly special cooking in our Omni-Channel oven today. Time for another one of my cooking recipes. Eggplant Parmesan, one of my all-time favorite Italian classics. Up next in the Marketing Kitchen. Welcome to the kitchen, the Marketing Kitchen. Hi, I'm Ron Vining, your host of Marketing Kitchen TV. Today I'm going to share with you one of my all-time favorite recipes, and that's eggplant parmesan. Any Italian dish starts off with spices. You can go with fresh, or you can go with some dehydrated ones. In this case, I'm doing a mix of both. So I love to put in fresh parsley and fresh garlic. I'm cooking a few different things at the same time today, so you'll notice sweet potatoes, and I'm also doing a soup. With any Italian dish, you need to have cheese on hand. In this case, go with mozzarella or some Parmesan. Today I'm doing canned tomatoes. I usually like to choose the crushed variety. You'll want to stew those in the pot with your spices while getting the eggplant ready. I dipped my eggplant in freshly beaten eggs. The reason I did that is it adds a bit more substance to them, and if you were using breadcrumbs, this would allow them to stick to the eggplant. I fry both sides of the eggplant before placing them in my baking pan with first a layer of red sauce or gravy, layering them, basically doing sauce, eggplant, cheese, sauce, eggplant, cheese. When you've reached the top of your baking pan, put them in the oven. You might want to preheat your oven if you'd like, and you'll know that it's done when the cheese begins to bubble. I like it when it gets a little bit crispy or crusty. That way I know that it's cooked all the way through. Not that it needed to be, because you obviously had heated up the eggplant on the stove beforehand. As you'll see, I'm cooking one of my soups side by side, and one of my upcoming recipes I'll be sharing with you one of my many favorite soups and or stews, depending upon how thick it becomes. In prior episodes, I've shown you how to make baked stuffed peppers. You can check them out in the link above. In a future episode, I'll be sharing about green bean casserole. And in a past episode, I've shown you how to make pasta. In that case, it's carbonara. And in this case, it's lemon cream bow tie pasta, one of my favorites. Check that out in the link up above. I just love pasta. Guess it's the Italian in me. Here's an example of baked pasta. I'll show that in a future recipe. And one of these days I'm going to get together all of the photos I've collected of every single type of egg that I've made. Man, eggs are one of the most versatile foods on the planet, and I've cooked them up in just about every way conceivable. Usually the accompaniment with it determines what type of egg I'll make. In this case, on the side of my Eggs Benedict, I have avocado. Speaking of avocado, I love to make fresh homemade guacamole. Click in the link above for my homemade nachos, as well as how to make guacamole. Join us again for more cooking recipes. I hope you enjoyed this episode. Remember, there's always fresh content simmering on our storytelling stovetop. So whatever happens in this kitchen shouldn't stay in this Marketing Kitchen. I'm Ron Vining, your host, reminding you to invite your family and friends to the next episode of Marketing Kitchen TV.